In this analysis, I have created a user dimension with some custom groups, north, south, and east here, and they should reflect some municipalities on the Denmark map over here, a northern region with maybe these municipalities, and likewise a southern region and an eastern region over here. And I want to be able to map those three groups to multiple municipalities. So if we look at the cross tab here, we got two columns, custom DK groups and customer region. And in the define mode, we can see that this one is a use dimension, while that one is a attribute from existing dimension. The use dimension here and my attribute up here. Let's have a closer look at the custom DK groups user dimension. So if I go here and edit that, we can see it's got those three members north here, and it's made up of these dimension members. But let's have a look at these. They have actually been made as a list of custom values. So notice here I got 5, while over here I only got 4 members. Actually, Brønderslev is missing from these, but I put it into my custom value list here. Just to make sure that in the future, when I get data for Brønderslev, it will automatically be included. And I've done the same thing for the other two groups. Here we got the South group, 6 members on this list, but we only got data for 4 right now. And the last one, the East, also we got 6 members here, but only seeing data for 3 of them over here. So let's turn your attention to the map here and have a look at the cross tab behind that. Here you can see I'm actually using the same use dimension, but just with the 3 groups, not with the regions. So I want to be able to map those 3 groups upon this map. So I'll go into properties for the map. I'm going into edit locations here. And you can see that it's a map with just the individual municipalities, 1 municipality per area here. So if I start out with the north here, if I just dragged it over here, I'll be mapping only to a single municipality. Instead, I'll just double click it, and then you get this list here, and then you just need to check all the municipalities that you want to go into the group. What I'm checking right now is actually the areas on the map. So Aalborg here, and the last one was Brønderslev. So now I should have mapped those 5 municipalities into the north region. And likewise, I could go with the east region, double click that, and select the area members from the list here. It was Stevns, it was Vordingborg, Næstved, we got Faxe and Køge. And let's try that, map it. Yeah, almost there. However, Ringsted here should actually be part of the east again. Now I don't see the group here, but I can go here and show all, not just the mapped, unmapped ones. So go back into east and then include Ringsted and map that. So now we got Ringsted included here as well. Let's just do the last one, the southern part here, quickly. So that was Tønder, Haderslev, Aabenraa, Esbjerg, Vejen, and Kolding. Where is it? It's right here. Okay, so let's map that. So now we got that map. Of course, save the mapping here. Before we leave this dialog here, maybe go to labels. Let's make sure that we got a mouse over here, row member and value. Yeah, that'll be fine. And then we can see it over here. Yeah, we got it. And OK on that. And go back into consumer mode here. Like this. So now we got these 3 user dimension groups, north, south, and east. They have been mapped to multiple areas in my area map over here.